to see you off, the GPT-4o. That sounds like a significant leap forward. With upgraded voice assistant capabilities and enhanced features, it seems like a game changer. OpenAI has been consistently pushing the boundaries of AI technology, so it's no surprise they've launched something as groundbreaking as this. Voice assistants are becoming increasingly integral to our daily lives, so improvements in that area will definitely enhance user experience. And offering more features to free users shows a commitment to accessibility and inclusivity, which is always commendable. I imagine the new vision features will bring a whole new dimension to interaction with the AI, making it even more versatile and useful. We asked the live audience on X to submit few requests for what they would like us to try out here, so I will take a couple of prompts. Okay, Gaskar wants to know if GPT-4o is capable of real-time translation. You want to try this? One, sure, yeah, let's do it. I speak Italian, so we can just English. Let's try to do English, Italian, sure, let's do it. Hey ChatGPT, how are you? I'm doing fantastic, thanks for asking. How about you? How's your day going? I'm doing great, so I would like you to function as a translator. I have a friend here who only speaks Italian and I only speak English, and every time you hear English, I want you to translate it to Italian, and if you hear Italian, I want to translate it back to English. Is that good? Perfo. You, Mike. She wonders if whales could talk. What would they tell us? They might ask, how do we solve linear equation C? Certainly yes, great, looks like it works.
Hey, good to see ya. How's it going? Hey Rocky, I'm doing great. How about you? I'm awesome. Listen, I get some huge news. Oh, do tell I'm all your well. In a few minutes, I'm going to be interviewing at OpenAI. Have you heard of them? OpenAI? Huh, sounds vaguely familiar. Kidding, of course. That's incredible. Rocky, what kind of interview? It's for a software engineering role, but I just need to know, do I look presentable? Professional. You definitely have the I've been coding all night look down, which called actually work in your favor. Maybe just run a hand through your hair or lean into the mad genie spine. Even enthusiasmus, what's really gonna shine through? I didn't have a lot of time, so I'm just gonna throw this on. What do you think, Rocky? That's quite a statement piece. I mean, you'll definitely stand out, though maybe not in the way you're hoping for an interview. Okay, I get it, I got it. Is the king spotted one just now? It's cheating you way on the left side of Thero. Get ready to wave it down. Great job hailing that taxi in. Looks like you're all set to go. That's a good dog right there, leading the way into the taxi. Safe travels.